So we got this plate here of toy soldiers, and we've also got this microwave here, and we're gonna stick them in for about 30 seconds and see what happens. Alright, time is set. Here you go, Skullface. 30 seconds on the timer. Close that shit and start her up. Then we're gonna pull them out and see what happens.
They fucked up my microwave, you want a new one?
No deal. Stop it in about 15.
On the top.
Alright, stop it.
It's not 15 yet.
Now, go.
Huh?
Go now.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. Oh, we're doing it. 6,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Pull them out. They're probably really fucking hot. Don't touch it with your hands.
Nope.
Fuck this! Nothing happened.
The peanut ain't hot.
The plate's not. That's kind of chintz. It smells like burnt plastic, though. It smells like somebody's been smoking crack here. Let's just go step on them outside. Alright, the wind blew this bastard down, but they didn't nuke, so he still didn't fucking break. What the fuck are these toy soldiers made of?
Yeah, I'll do my way.
You got a lighter? We're gonna light a toy soldier up. Piece of shit.
It's a win.
Motherfucker, if you burn me, I'm gonna kill your fucking unborn children.
I only have one.
Don't let that plastic touch you.
It's not in nothing.
Alright guys, well
Here, I'll do my way. Go, folks. Ready? Come. Go back out.
Stuck up to the house.
Ready?
That was a local crackhead, folks. Alright, and here's the end of the soldiers. They wouldn't burn, so now he's just whipping them.
They want it big.
You're just whipping soldiers.
It's a pig.
I know. You're just whipping toy soldiers. Nothing he can do.
You can tell.
Sorry guys, a pig rolled by, so we're gonna migrate inside. Peace.